Unlock the power of seamless cloud storage directly within your spreadsheets. Ever wished you could access and manage your Dropbox files without leaving Excel? Today, we're diving into how to integrate Dropbox functionality right into your spreadsheets, making data management and collaboration a breeze. Let's get started. The first step is to ensure you have the Dropbox desktop application installed and signed in on your computer. This is crucial as it creates the local link that Excel will use to interact with your cloud storage. Now, let's open your Excel workbook. We'll be using Excel's built-in linking features. Navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your Excel ribbon. Within the Links group, you'll find the Link option. Click on this to open the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. Here, you'll see a few options. Make sure Existing File or Web Page is selected on the left-hand side. This is where we'll tell Excel where to find your Dropbox file. Now, you need to browse to the specific file you want to link from your Dropbox. Simply navigate through your computer's File Explorer, looking for your Dropbox folder and then the document you wish to connect. Select it and click OK. You'll notice that the cell now displays the name of your file, acting as a clickable hyperlink. When you click on this link, your default web browser will open, taking you directly to that file in your Dropbox online interface, or if the file is synced locally, it might open directly in its application. You can repeat this process for as many files as you need, creating an organized hub of your linked Dropbox documents directly within your Excel spreadsheet. This is incredibly useful for project management, sharing research materials, or keeping all related assets within easy reach. By integrating Dropbox links into your Excel spreadsheets, you're not just saving time, you're enhancing your workflow and making your data more accessible than ever before. Give it a try and see how much more efficient your spreadsheet tasks can become.